What is going on, guys? I'm in Lodi, New Jersey right now, and we're at this old chemical factory. So today I'm tagging along with Billy from Fresh Paint NYC, and we're just gonna check this place out, see what's going on here. Maybe we can find some more history about this place, because barely is known about this. So, gonna look around. So right now I'm just walking in the back of the whole area, and there's just giant warehouses back here. A lot of graffiti. Seems to be a graffiti hotspot. I might have read that an explosion happened here. I don't know if it was this factory or not. Wow, look at all this. Just a whole giant area. So there is a chunk of the building missing here. Rooftop is gone. Could be possible this is where it happened. But I don't really see any burn marks. Not really. Maybe it just naturally fell down. Alright, we're gonna head through here. This is where it was made. Whatever they were making. Sort of chemicals. The condition of this building, I would say, is fair for an abandoned place. Just because it's still like mostly intact. Some parts of the roof are gone. Things are just hanging. But it's not like completely in ruins. Pipe covered in asbestos, and there's like a nest on top of it. A little bird's nest. This little pool here has to be quite deep. A lot of trash in there, but you see there's stairs right here, and then you walk underneath the passageway, so definitely pretty deep. I have far from any clue what this possibly is, but it's definitely quite retro. Everything like back then had like round edges. I don't know what's up with that. I guess that's a style, but I don't know. I love it. Alright, so I'm gonna make my way upstairs. These rooms are completely far gone. My guess would probably have to be like a little lab in here where he tested all the chemicals. The second floor looks pretty neat. Hopefully it just holds up. This level seems to be quite alright. I always avoid trying to step over metal sheets. No, it can just like fall right through. So definitely stay on the concrete. What's this way? Found the locker room. Really bad condition. You see the installation just everywhere. How to actually use that? It's insane. It's all made out of wood. Probably made it here. Typical employee lockers. Something that you'll probably find inside. So I almost walked right past this, but look, check out this door. It kind of just blends in with the wall. And check that out. How it actually moved, that mechanism, like those two wheels on the rail. That's just pretty neat. You just don't see that nowadays. And it does move still. No, I didn't get locked, but I just realized they automatically close.
Yeah.
Down on the slant.
Yeah.
I thought it was just like everything, like just like, you know, it's starting to droop down because it's old.
Yeah.
But it's just like made like that, just so like you don't have to close it behind you. It just automatically does. Oof. A little too loud, maybe. Yeah, regardless, yeah. Some barrels in there. God knows, probably chemical waste.
Oh yeah.
spilling in there.
Easily.
Check this out, the punch machine. You go punch in and out. It's an old one. Put your card on the slot. Time is frozen here. Alright, we got a worker's bathroom. That looks pretty cool, actually, all those clipboards all together.
Yeah.
That paper is completely faded. Who knows what was the last thing written on that? What we got here? Pepsi. Is that Coca-Cola? Snacks here. All gone.
This was a coffee machine.
Oh. Got it fancy here.
45 cents. 50 cents for French vanilla cap.
Yeah, that's not bad. Yo, that's just creepy. Oh, there's like pipes going up. Oh yeah, it'll like, I guess, warm the pipes up.
I'm not going there. You want the flashlight, you can go.
Dude, this is just like, I don't know why, but this just creeps me out, being inside a furnace. It's just not right. Why am I here? Stairs over here. Seem alright? This is just all rusted out. Top of the furnace. Let's take a look outside here. This place is really falling apart. Roof is completely gone. You see that metal I-beam? Like, that looks like it's like heat damage. Oh yeah. Check it out.
What?
This piece of wood.
Oh yeah.
Fire damage.
Yep.
This is the spot. Wow, yeah, this whole roof came down. That's ridiculous. This is where it happened. Wow, yo, this is like a freaking jungle in here. This whole spot got damaged. Yeah, everything's charred up here. Still. So when I was flying my drone around, I realized that there's one spot the roof's missing, so I just want to take a closer look. So this is the factory that the fire was set. Now I'm not sure if it's the one from like a decade ago or from a couple of decades ago, because there's like 2 reports of the news of Lodi, of like place catching on fire like this. That sounds like a, I'm trying parts catalog here, a couple buttons, relays and whatnot, whatever you need. There's nothing much here. Yeah. Look at this.
Oh wow.
Wow. No way. That's kind of creepy that that's over there. Axe murderer running around here. But I'm probably gonna hide this thing so like nobody can find it. So that's pretty much it of this place. Thanks for watching the video. Make sure to subscribe. Go on adventures all the time. Leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think about this place. And give this video a like because it helps me out. And I'll see you on the next adventure. Take it easy.